Welcome class 7. Today again we are with the topic multiplication of polynomials, and here today we will learn to evaluate the expressions of this type a plus b into a minus b. So we'll take a plus b and a minus b and we'll multiply. Just like the previous video, we will split up a minus b and multiply it with a and b. So first a multiplies a minus b, then again plus b will multiply a minus b again. So a times a is equal to a squared, minus b times a is equal to minus ab, plus b times a is plus ba or plus ab, and plus into minus minus b into b is b squared. Now this ab and ab being the two different signs, ab and ab cancels, so you'll get a squared minus b squared as the answer. Now in continuation, if we get the same type of expression, but here a squared plus b squared into a plus b into a minus b is given. So here we have already learned that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So we have already got this as the answer from the previous question. So we can replace this a plus b and a minus b with a squared minus b squared. Now we have got a squared plus b squared into a squared minus b squared. So again, like the previous one, a squared multiplies a squared minus b squared, and again plus b squared multiplies a squared minus b squared. So now a squared times a squared is equal to a to the power 4, plus into minus is minus, a squared minus b squared, a squared into minus b squared is equal to a squared minus b squared, plus b squared times a squared is equal to a squared b squared, plus into minus is minus, b squared times b squared is b to the power 4. The power gets added up. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now here again, the two terms with the two different signs a squared b squared plus and minus gets cancelled. So we get a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. In continuation again, we have the similar type of expression. Here a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a squared plus b squared into a plus b into a minus b is given. And we all know that just before this question we got a squared plus b squared into a plus b into a minus b equals to a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So using this, we will replace this whole expression from here with a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Next step we will do as we have done in the previous case. A to the power 4 will multiply this expression first, and b to the power 4 will again multiply the same expression. So a to the power 4 times a to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 8. The power is getting added up. Minus a to the power 4 into b to the power 4. Then plus a to the power 4 and b to the power 4, or b to the power 4 and a to the power 4 is the same thing. Plus into minus b to the power 4 and b to the power 4 gives b to the power 8. Here again these two terms will cancel each other, and thus we are left out with a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8.